Was it the opinion of the chairman and the two commissioners who were there, or it was your brief? That has to come out very clearly.
My honest view initially was to even get an opinion from maybe another advocate, so that we see whether it is necessary for us to go on appeal, because in my view the grounds are basically the same. So I thought probably it would be important for somebody to come with from another angle and see whether we can have another way of resolving the same issue. But it was felt that an appeal was
by who?
By the commission.
You're appealing on BBI, or you're appealing on certain things that were said about IEBC?
The focus basically is on the issue of quorum, past, in view of the past decisions, not the future decisions. The commission felt somebody can go to court and challenge the resolutions and decisions that were taken before the appointment of the new commissioners. That is where the appeal is limited to.
It makes
nothing else.
You have answered my question.
Yeah.
Okay. That was the decision of the commission.
It makes okay.
And